Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you this mung bean pancake, or it's called Moong dal Chilla in India. So it is going to be a vegetarian recipe with spices and herbs in it. You can add your favorite vegetables to top as a topping on this. And it's a gluten-free, vegan Indian style savory pancakes. It's full of protein, fiber and many other vital nutrients. So let's see how to do this. Here I'm taking overnight soaked mung beans. Put it in the blender, add 3 green chilies, thumb-sized ginger, salt per taste, add 1 glass of water, 3 garlic cloves. Garlic adds a very nice flavor to the pancake. It has ginger, so it will be like gingerly garlicky taste, but not too much of garlic, because once garlic is cooked, it does not have that raw taste, isn't it? So here I'm using an electric skillet. This is from brand Presto and it's controlled by temperature. So I'm going to turn this to 300 Fahrenheit to cook this pancake. You can do this on normal cast iron skillet or normal tawa. And here I'm adding vegetables to top with. You can add sweet peppers, bell peppers, carrot, cilantro. You can add your favorite veggies as a topping on this. Here I'm adding red chili flakes. You can add black pepper, Italian seasoning to give extra flavor to this. This is one of my favorite kitchen gadget from Presto. I'm using this for last 7 years. You can see how good it is. It's a non-stick skillet and it has no scratch on it. And the product is really good. And here you can see the pancake is ready. Enjoy this with your favorite Presto sauce or mint chutney, and it's ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.